Hello, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into def statements with parameters in Python. We'll explore how to define functions, call them, and understand the difference between arguments and parameters. Let's get coding. In Python, we use def to define a function. This tells Python you're creating a new function. Here's how you do it. Def my underscore function. Print hello from a function. This is a simple function named my underscore function that prints a message. Parameters are variables listed inside the parentheses in the function definition. They are placeholders for the data you can pass into the function. Let's add a parameter to our function. Def my underscore function name. Printf hello, name. Now, let's call the function by passing an argument. An argument is the actual value you give to the function's parameter when you call it. My underscore function Alice, #Alice is the argument here. Remember, parameters are used when defining a function, like placeholders, while arguments are the real values passed to the function when it is called. Functions can have multiple parameters. Let's modify my underscore function to greet a person with their name and age. Def my underscore function name, age. Printf hello, name. You are, age, years old. My underscore function Bob, 30. And that's a wrap on def statements with parameters in Python. Parameters enhance the flexibility and reusability of your functions. Try creating your own functions with different parameters and see what you can build. Subscribe for more in-depth Python tutorials.